Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make a shape transparent in Google Slides. So go and open up your Google Slides, go to shape, and select the shape you want. I'm just going to choose the circle one. And as you can see, there is a color and an outline. And what if I want to make it transparent? Super easy. Go to fill color and then just select transparent, and it's going to be transparent. So if I move it over like the text here, as you can see, it is transparent. You can do this for all of these shapes. I assume, as you can see, all of them are now transparent. And that is basically how you can make a shape transparent in Google Slides. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!